Can you actually make money from blogging? Well, of course you can. In the last 30 days, one of my blogs has made over $5,000. And it actually doesn't take very long to get your first check from blogging as long as you follow the right strategies. My name is Franklin and I've been doing blogging online for quite some time now. And what I want to do is take you through the strategies that helped me get my first check with my blog that was over $500. Now you might be wanting to start a blog and you might be getting held back by the fact that it can take some time. You don't know where to start, you don't know what to do. But I'm actually going to take you through these factors that helped me get started, and now I have multiple blogs that bring in thousands of visits per day, and now I'm doing this full time, and this is one of my income streams online. Now when I first started online, I started a blog in around about August in 2015 called onlinedimes.com, and a couple of months later I got my first check from that particular blog for over $500. And at the end of this video I'll actually tell you how I made the money from that blog, what method I used to monetize that blog. Monetization is a word that we use for the particular method that you use to make money from your website or blog. Now, obviously from the time that I got that $500, I've worked very, very hard over the years, and now that blog is making 6 figures per month. So these are the actual factors that helped me go from that $500 to that starting point that really is the hardest when it comes to blogging. And then once you get past that hard point, it becomes easier and easier over time. And you'll understand what I mean in a second when we start getting into these factors. And number one is don't expect results instantly, but do expect results. What I mean by that is you can go and expect results. You are starting a blog and you can expect to make money from that blog. You have the right to make money from that blog. But the thing is, don't expect results straight away. Don't just post a blog post and then think that you're going to make money the next day. That doesn't work, because if that was the way that it worked, we would all be making tons of money. So you've kind of got to get out of that mindset and understand that it will take a little bit of work at the start to get the ball rolling so you can actually get traffic and start to make money. So how do you actually do that? First of all, number two is you want to blog about something you enjoy. The reason for this is because it's more enjoyable. If you blog about something that you don't enjoy, so for example, if you know nothing about making money online and you start a blog about making money online, you're not going to find it enjoyable. You're going to do 1 or 2 posts and then you're just going to stop. When you do something that's enjoyable, you actually get joy out of it and you like doing it. It makes you want to do it more. So you keep going and you keep going and you hit that opportunity where you actually get your first check from your blog. This is quite important because most people don't even get to this step. They will just blog about stuff they don't even know about, and it kills their blog before it even starts because it just doesn't work, because they give up because they don't enjoy writing about that particular topic. Number 3, this is really what contributed to the most success of my blog when I was starting, and that was doing something called using Google to find low-hanging fruits. So I get most of my blog traffic from organic Google traffic when someone goes into Google and searches for something. But what most people do is, say for example, if you have a blog on how to make money online or the make money online niche, most people will just go and do articles how to make money online. You're never going to get traffic from that because there's so much competition. So let's just say that you have a blog on horses. You might do 15 equestrian tips for professional show jumping in 2020. That's a low-hanging fruit because it's a long tail keyword that, a lot of people are not going to be searching, but you will get searches. And then just start slowly, and you might get 1 or 2 searches a day, and then you'll keep going as you post more content, and you'll get more and more searches. If you just go for hard keywords and hard topics that everybody else is going for, you're never going to get your blog off the ground. But as your blog gets stronger, then you can go for those harder topics. Now, number 4 is one that a lot of people do not understand, and you really need to understand this. And this is keep doing content until you get what we call the snowball effect. If you roll a snowball down a hill, it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as it collects snow. That's the same with blogging. If you keep writing content, your blog will get bigger and bigger and bigger with traffic, and you'll start to make more money, or you'll get your first paycheck. The thing is, it's kind of like a compounding effect. The more content you do, the more the traffic compounds, because you're getting traffic on your older blog posts, but you're also getting traffic on your new blog post, and it builds up just like a snowball. That's why it's called the snowball effect. This is really important when you're blogging. If you actually look at this graph of one of my blogs, you'll see that it goes up and up and up and up and up. And then we had a bit of a dip. That was because we had to actually take one of our articles offline, but you'll see it went up and up and up at a consistent rate. That's because we posted content consistently for 1 year on that blog, and we actually missed out a few weeks, and we probably could have had this traffic at double if we wanted to, but we took our time. So now it's getting around about 15,000 views per month organically for free without me doing anything, because all of these articles that I did in the past, in the last 12 months, we stopped writing for this blog about 2 months ago, are bringing me in the traffic. So it's really important to focus on the snowball effect by writing lots of content. I know it takes time. Maybe you just write like 1 or 2 blog posts a week when you're starting. Try to do a little bit more, but the more work you put in at the start, the more rewarding it's going to be later on down the track when your blog's actually growing. Now, number 5 is something that I did when I started, and it kind of boosted my first paycheck. What you want to be doing is going into communities like forums and being active in your niche. So if you have a blog on fishing, then go and be active in forums. And what you can do is you can actually put your blog in the signature, and people can click that link. Or if you put value in the forum, and you can maybe, some forums don't let you put your link, but if you can sneak your blog link in there, you can get thousands, even hundreds of thousands of views per month even from a lot of these forums if you become active in the community. If you give value, people are going to click your blog. I know that this works because this is exactly how I boosted a lot of my traffic when I started my first blog, Online Dimes. And that contributed to my paycheck coming to me quicker, that $500 paycheck. I got that a lot quicker than what most people would because I was active in communities. Now, number 6 is probably the most important of them all. Take action. Most people never take action. Actually, just go and start a blog. Just go and start a blog and write content, and you'll be amazed. And don't worry about all the fancy stuff people talk about, search engine optimization, backlinks, all that sort of stuff. Just start writing content, and you'll be amazed at how fast that traffic builds up over time. Just straight write content for the next 2 or 3 months, and you'll be amazed at how fast the traffic starts compounding up, and you'll be amazed at how big your snowball grows. So just go and get started. Don't let anybody say to you that blogging is not the right thing for you. Don't let anybody say that you shouldn't be making money from your blog. You have the right to get results from your blog. Now, how did I make my first $500 check from my blog? Now, this is probably the method that I recommend everybody does when they're starting. And there's a few ways that you can make money from a blog. See, you don't actually need to worry about your niche too much. A lot of people say, hey, I want to be in the make money online niche because there's lots of money. You can put ads on any blog. It doesn't matter. Now, I didn't use ads to get my first check, but that is one of the methods that you can use. You can put Google ads on your blog. The method that I used was affiliate marketing, where I went and put a link on my blog post. And I think one of the blog posts I had at that time was how to start a blog. And people would click that link and I would get a commission. I got $65 at that point of time per referral to the website. And then when I got my check from them, because you get paid sometimes once a month or once every couple of months, depending on the platform that you're promoting, I got that check and it was over $500. So affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best way to monetize your blog. And there's lots of different networks that you can use to do that. And you can do affiliate marketing in any niche. What's important is getting the traffic, doing the content first, then worrying about monetizing your blog and making money from it a couple of months down the track. Because if you focus on the money first, I know you want to make money, but if you focus on the money first, you're not in the right mindset to really take that blog to the next level because you're too focused on the money. Enjoy doing the content, do it in a niche that you enjoy, and you enjoy blogging a lot more. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and stuff like that, I'll actually leave some videos up on the right on the screen that will take you through how you can make money from your blog once you've got the traffic. And I take you through step by step how you can start affiliate marketing online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and I hope I see you in the next video on the right.